guitar case with my arm around him, and we were very, very tight. But Wayne was tragically killed in 2013. He was shot by a bar owner in Nashville, Tennessee. He just introduced me to this guy like a month before that. We went to this guy's bar after playing at 3rd and Lindsley in Nashville. And he's in prison, by the way. He did get arrested for that. But he shot and killed my friend. You know, I was devastated. When I heard the news, we were at the Floribama with Brasher and we were playing a show, and we just ended the set. And, you know, the rest of the band was up getting their shift drinks, and I went back to the bus and I sat by myself, and I thought about Wayne, and I thought about his life, and I thought about my life. Because Wayne was one of those guys that he was a great songwriter in his own right. He was a fantastic songwriter. But he did what I was doing a lot, which is playing other people's music just to make a buck, you know. You do, people want to hear Sweet Home Alabama, you play Sweet Home Alabama. If it's going to make a buck, you do it, you know. And we were very alike in that way. And so I thought about that, and it reminded me, as I'm thinking about me and Wayne and us doing our music thing and playing all these other people's songs as we do, you know. You get to play one or two of your songs, but most of the night you wind up doing your Sweet Home Alabamas and your whatever to make a buck. And it reminded me of something my mom told me when I was very young. I was probably maybe 8 years old or something. We were driving into town. So where I live in Kentucky, now it's Owensboro. It's the biggest town there. But when we grew up, we were kind of in the sticks. We were in the woods, about 15 miles from town. So we'd go into town about once every 2 weeks to get groceries. And my mom told me one day when we were driving in to get groceries, she said, "Oh, Andy, you're my little Myna bird," which I took as meaning mockingbird. I hadn't heard of a Myna bird before. My mom tells me all kinds of shit I've never heard before, and I gotta look up. I'm like, "Mom, are you sure it's pronounced Walmart's?" I don't think there's an A in vodka. But, that's how she talks. She's a country lady. She said, "You're my little Myna bird, because you can remember all these words." And so anyway, I was thinking about all of that stuff as I just heard the news about Wayne Mills passing away, and I was like, man, we are Myna birds. You know, Wayne and I are Myna birds because we're spending our life. We got things we want to say, but most of the time we're just sitting here repeating other people's songs. And that's cool and everything. That's great. There's a place for that. But I thought about how lonely that was after he passed away. And I wrote this song for him. This is called Myna Bird. Myna bird, you know all the words. You just sing the songs that you've always heard. Isn't there something that you'd like to say? Something you've held at bay? Myna bird, you have friends. Where are they now? As you sit on your lonely bough, while the evening turns into night. Have they all taken flight? Myna bird, oh, you lonely little thing, Myna bird, just sing. Myna bird, you know all the words, you just sing the songs that you always heard. Isn't there something that you like to say? Something you've held at bay? Myna bird, oh, the stars outshine you, the moonlight blinds you, your stage is just a facade. It's a place you feel closer to God. But Myna bird, oh, you lonely little thing, Myna bird, oh, you lonely little thing, Myna bird, oh, you lonely little thing, Myna bird, just sing. All your friends, where are they now? As you sit on your lonely bough, while the night turns into day, have they all flown away? Oh, the stars outshine you, the moonlight blinds you, the curtains on your stage are drawn, and you feel the impending dawn. Myna bird, oh, you lonely little thing, Myna bird, oh, you lonely little thing, Myna bird, you don't owe me anything, Myna bird, just sing. Just sing. Myna bird, you know all